Hello everyone, we're here today with Van Hill and we're going to show you how to fit a clutch cable. And we're going to use this Aprilia RSV4 as a demonstration. And luckily I've got a grown-up to help me today, which is Dan from DM Performance. And we've got a range of colours to choose from, because Van Hill have got all sorts of magical rainbow options. But I think we might stick with black for this super black RSV4.
Let's do it.
Yep. This is why it's important to check your clutch cable, children. I know you think it's dull and boring, but you're wrong. We've got some chafing on this cable. It's just been rubbing a little bit under the sort of steering head of the frame, and it's worn a hole through the plastic outer. So water's going to get in there, dirt's going to get in there. It's just going to make things much worse. So we've got the new cable on there. We picked a nice red one to match the Aprilia logo there, and we've taken care to route it so there'll be no chafing. And that's the job done, I think.